What's up, YouTube? Your boy back with another banger. You feel me? And I got something special playing today. But yeah, we about to get ready and head down here to the Word on Wheels Custom Auto Show. Finna slide down here and check the show out. See your boy dripped out. Make sure I get my drip when I be on here. You feel me? But yeah, finna go check the show out, man. See if they got some old school, new school, some Chevelles, Challengers, you name it, they got it. And y'all just stay tuned, man. I appreciate y'all for sharing, liking, subscribing, commenting. And like I said, we going up our 2020. I appreciate the love everybody been showing. So we're gonna try to keep it going all the way up. So yeah, man, I'm finna get ready and head down here now. I gotta stop by the store, and then I'm gonna be heading that way. So y'all just stay tuned, man. I'm out.
All right, y'all enjoy.
He got the bill book and everything. Chevelle. That's the same car in Grumble. You can call it. You really you can. Right. 101, the world fastest gravity car.
So you got to be sure. Like this.
No, somebody, a regular person can get it. Some Chevy. LS1 in there. Y'all see it. We ain't copyrighting that. LS1 style, baby. If it ain't LS the world, then we ain't running with it. On this rat ride. Right. Excuse my bad, I'm sorry. I ain't no big 1065 Daytona Coupe. Stupid. They probably got the same one in here somewhere. Firebird, original, all original, everything. Yeah, man. From Cullinan. I'm gonna have that him in here one year. Mozzie. See, this a wrap right here. That's a wrap. Stupid. Stupid old man. 427 big block in it. Big. 67 big. Yeah. That look good too. Them tires on that beef. Them tires, man. LS1. LS. That's what I'm. This all I'm proud to see. All these old school deserve LS. 4L60E, Trend, Ray, you see it? Yeah, sir. If it ain't LS, it ain't nothing, man. Yeah, sir. Soup. And turbo. One turbo, we'll come back to y'all. Falcon. Ford Falcon. Yeah, my Mopar brothers. Yes, sir. You see it. You see it. You see it, man. Yes, sir. Big him in it. You see it. Inside of that motherfucker. Shit. Hey. One that day. Well, the ZL1s don't look nothing like this now. But god dang. Mopar, no car, yes sir. Y'all see it. Yes sir. You see it. 69 charge. Big 520. See it. One right here. What year it is? 1970. Oh no, this the Superbird. This ain't no roll on. I'm tripping. I gotta get my facts right. I can't be out here sharing false facts, spreading false information. Nasty, you know what I mean? Sir, they go a Duster right here. You don't see too many of these. A Duster. Mopar had, they were making our kind of car. They made like the Dodge Coronet right here, the Roll Runner, well not Roll Runner, but the Super B, the Roll Runner, Challenge. They just a Super B. Yes sir, GT right here. One of 11. Shit. One of 11. God, hey. It's on 11 of these were made. 26 ain't mean it. You had a 426 back in the day, you was a bad man. This thing's stupid. And it's moving. See it? '74 blue RT charge. Got the lovers on now with the big difference. Y'all see it. And all these hoes got that. Super B. I see this at all the shows. From looking at this, yes sir. Look like 6'0" or 6'2". From looking at this, it look like I'm guessing, I'm gonna go with a 50, I'm gonna go with a between 53 and 55. Let's see what I was off. It's a 56. And I just didn't want to say 56. I ain't know they be had no ram on it. Them kind of seats in it, you know that motherfucker.
Yeah, all right, got laying over here, didn't you? All right, you want on that? You start to lose your grip, okay?
Never seen before. I ain't got no history in on this car. George Ford.
All right, clock rolling. Got lane over here. Video. Hold on to bar for
9 Salem Mustang. Whew. This number 2 or just 5. Yeah. 73 in. Huh? Shoot. See. Hey. Honestly.
Every day. He lives in Cleveland and he works in Daytona.
This a daily. This somebody daily. I can't believe that. Shit, her V6 had 350 horses. Supercharged. Something. Okay. This one right here is one of 3 built with the automatic. Like I said, I ain't no Mustang guy, but if I had the option or the privilege to buy one, I probably would. Go around here. Finna move around a little bit. I done got half of one room. Move around to this side. See what this is. Play this game. Some of these cars I ain't never heard with the 283 in there. Stupid Grand Neck window. 18 band back then. See, Cobra, 500. Big boy. With the snake inside.
Dukes of Hazzard. That's Deputy Edith Hall from the Dukes of Hazzard, where you'll also see the General Lee and...
Yes, sir. Bentley SS, man. Yes, sir. Come on. Convertible. super sport Bentley, baby. I see these in Mount Brook all the time. Shit every year.
Oh, I'm good for it, Tahoe.
Bro, right here, yeah. Last year, I remember when you had brought it last year, yep. We were hollering at you, oh yeah.
And we just fast, man. We got the whole house.
For real?
Yeah,
Oh yeah, so and I see the alright, that's what up. Salute them, bro. You heard he said we expanding this year. Oh man. Bro got the whole nine. All this is everything. This in his team. Y'all see this shit.
Also, in the kids area, Olaf has returned. That's Olaf from Disney's Frozen has returned to the kids' world.
Yeah, man. Yeah. You know, feel me? Little Ford Model 8. See, get your rule out, man. Get your rule out. You did. Bro, got this bit right. Yes, sir. Shit.
Now on the Wheel Record Service Celebrity Stage, Kevin Sheely. That's Kevin Sheely of Bitch It Rise right now on the Wheel Record Service Celebrity Stage in the North Hall.
Now, just cut off his whole little fleet. 54. It be so big. God. The F right on. See, this probably all the way. Came where you at. Aftermarket spring. Good ahead. Yes, sir. Can't be telling. And it's 3, baby. Can't see in there, but it's LS. I need to take it. Look at it be. Oh, he got the top. Which guy? He got the trunk. He got the trunk route. He got the trunk and the top route. And the hood route. It be stupid. He left the top of it alone. Stupid. Sitting on 4 Giottos.
That's the best looking car.
Hey, look how he got that mat sitting on the trunk, then a little bit on the side, all the way on the top side, like a two-tone, but he left the top gloss. I done stole his look.
He did the sides on the
Oh
back.
yeah, side exhaust coming at it. Sitting on 4 Giotto. I already know this. Oh, this the Cornet. Silver car, get it. Lighting the Queen, baby. That rap stupid. Hey, this is one of them cars Omi had bought. Yeah. It's the same one. Look at man. Folks ain't, they taking all the old seats and shit out that motherfucker. Hey, E95 Sims Consulting. Huh? That is a baby, then got hit. Soon you get your ass up. Something, I don't know. They be nice right here. See that wrap right there. I don't know. I just saw they be running around 280 or something before. Excuse me. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Cullinan now to open the door. Oh, it's over on the other side. Get over here. God dang. Big B. Motherfucker. Damn, they got to open the door on the other side.
That's what I just said.
You feel me, man? Big B's, man. I ain't even expect to see this here.
I didn't even know they named it.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. I ain't gonna lie, this is my first time in my life ever seeing in person. In person. Big B's, man. Big B's. Big B's.
Also upstairs in the East Hall, Deputy Cletus Hall from the Dukes of Hazzard TV. That's Deputy Cletus Hall from the Dukes of Hazzard Police Car. All of that available in the East Hall. If you're in the North Hall, swing by the Kids World, or you can be at home.
Shit. I'm in the right place then. Fit. That bitch got so many horses, man. Oh my God. 800 Hellcat killer. That carbon fiber so crazy. Ooh. Look at that carbon fiber all the way through that mother. Stupid, all on the roof. Z06 with the LT4 in that mug circle. He can't. I had to think about it a little bit. I ain't gonna be able to watch my YouTube. Corvette. Stupid. $327 rigid. $350. Alright, YouTube, your boy back, made it out. Finna head to the car. I hope y'all enjoy this thing. Feel me? Hope y'all enjoyed the Word on Wheels show. Y'all stay updated for more videos, content to come. Make sure y'all subscribe, hit the like button. Got a lot of little footage. Saw some Chevelle, some goddamn Mopaws. What else saw, baby? She saw a funnel cake. That's all she saw. So, yeah, man, I appreciate y'all for subscribing. Appreciate y'all for tuning in. And till the next time, Too Fast Gang, I'm out.